is Saurav Anand. I'm doing the first experiment of C Sharp Lab. The experiment is based on inheritance, and the topic is the aim of the experiment is ticket reservation system. Here we are designing and developing a ticket reservation system application using C Sharp.net with the appropriate use of inheritance and the concepts involved along with that. This application should provide types of login such as admin user. We're going to have two levels of login to it. Admin and the user. The user should be able to look at the bus, train, and flight ticket. The functionality for each user type and application constraints accordingly. Admin and users. So here for user, he can create and manage the schedule of a bus, train as well as a flight, and wherever he can even add the route to it. While the user can search for bus, train, flight, or book a ticket, generate the tickets, and even can cancel the tickets. Well, you can see there are a few constraints to it. That's a user should not be out of big ticket once only the tickets are available. Allow e-ticket generation only if tickets were booked by the user, and amount will not be refunded for ticket cancellation of later travel. So this is the aim of program. Now let me come to the program now. So this is the program based on the inheritance, and yeah, inheritance definition. Inheritance is the ability to create a class from another class. The parent class extending the functionality and state of the parent is derived or child class. It allows derived class to overboard methods from the parent class. Inheritance is one of the pillars of object orientation. Now, yeah, back to the program now. So this program has, as I said, will have two levels of user. One will be the admin, and another will be the customer. So here you see with this admin, here they'll have two options. First, when we get the console interface, they'll have two options: admin and interface, customer. So once you press admin, there will be a username. There'll be a prompt asking for admin's username. We enter that and then the password. Here the admin username is XYZ and the password is 123456. So once anyone enrolls into admin page, he'll get the option of enrolling its source and destination. Like he can add routes to it, like what the source is, what the destination is, and moreover he can do that kind of modification, like the depending on the tickets. And accordingly we go for the user classes. He'll have once he enters, he has to enter his like name based on the availability. Suppose if he logins for airline class, he'll have options of book tickets in executive class or the economy class. So accordingly he has to enter his name, then the mobile number, email ID, and all the information about himself. Now let me show you the output of the program. Yeah. There's the console page where we get two options, admin and customer. Here, first I'm pressing for admin. Username is XYZABC, that's what I told. And password is 123456. So once we do that, the console asks you to enter the number of routes you want to add. So I'm entering here two. First will be suppose one want to travel from Delhi. That's the source. And the destination is Jaipur. Uh, and the second source might be Coimbatore and is traveling to Chennai. So yeah, now you see that the source is Delhi and the destination comes from Jaipur, and the second source is CB and destination is Madras. That's Chennai. Now, if I log in as a customer, okay. So now I get options whether I want to book a ticket of airline, railway, or bus. So first, suppose I'm booking a ticket for airline. Okay, I'm entering the option as one. So we get options like if you want to book a ticket in a first class ticket or an economy class ticket. So here I chose for economy class. Now the command prompt asks for the prompt in the name. That is, I'm entering my name as Saurav. The mobile number will be 812 whatever XYZ, the mobile number of the customer, email ID, some XYZ at the rate of gmail.com, whatever it is. And then, yeah. So now you see that there the five first class seats were there. Now only four are available. Matlab, one ticket is already booked. And these are the detail of the information what we have entered in the user input. Accordingly, if you want to book for some other, suppose I'm entering as a customer, book for train ticket now. So I put my option as two. Now I'm booking my ticket in AC class. That's what the please enter one to reserve a AC seat or second for a general class seat. So here, accordingly, we'll enter our name. Like here, I'm entering my name as Saurav, the mobile number, and the email ID, something at the rate of gmail.com, like that. Accordingly, so here again, out of four, four seats were there, first class, now five are available, like that. That's what the program is about. Thank you.